Check out this cleaning hack for healthy cleaning tips and eliminate the use of caustic cleaners. One of my favorite gems in cleaning tools for the cleaning industry is the Flexi-Scour Pumie Screen. Every professional cleaner at Cleanstart is equipped with several of these screens and are replenished as needed. The Flexi-Scour screen is highly abrasive and makes fast work of removing unwanted deposits from many hard surfaces. I love these screens because it is one of the only things that will remove tough, hard water stains naturally. No more need of harsh acids and bowl cleaners to remove them. The screens are precise when getting around drains and faucets. You can get edges much better than with the original Pumie Stone. Prevent scratching on stainless steels with the screens. Use these screens on any porcelain surfaces to get them gleaming again. These screens are cheap and easily replaceable, so once they have been used, simply throw away and get another one. In an ongoing effort to find cleaning tools and products that are safe for the user, we recommend these Pumie screens to everybody. Make sure to get your screen wet before using on porcelain. And do not use these on stainless steel or other surfaces without testing a small area. We 5-star recommend the Flexi-Scour screen.